Welcome to second part of HTML series. Today we will learn some basic formatting of our web page. First, we will write the code and check the output. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. H1 is typically used for the main title of a page, while H2 to H6 are used for subheadings. These tags define the structure and hierarchy of content, with H1 being the most important and H6 the least important. The P tag defines a block of text as a paragraph. It automatically adds space before and after the content for readability. The strong tag is used to highlight important text, rendering it in bold by default. This tag has a semantic meaning, implying that the text is of strong importance. The EM tag is used to emphasize text, often rendering it in italics. It suggests that the content has a slight emphasis, typically for stress or intonation. The HR tag inserts a horizontal rule or line across the page, used to separate sections of content. The BR tag is used to insert a line break within a block of text, forcing the next content to start on a new line. It's often used in addresses, poetry, or when you want a manual break. That's it for this part of the HTML tutorial. See you in part 3. Thanks for watching.